What's up guys, it's your girl Just Sold Out, back here today to talk about a brand new Nike sneaker. Recently, Nike's been coming out with a bunch of various models specifically for women to cater to the 4 different seasons. While this sneaker was announced in the fall, it actually released on November 1st, just in time for the winter season. Let's go ahead and open this up. So I actually purchased this not directly from Nike, but actually Nordstrom because I had a gift card and I saw that they were available. It comes with the signature Nike Air Force 1 box. You know, it's all black all over. So upon opening the box, the first thing you see is this dust cover bag. Really cool, the material is definitely premium. It's kind of that nylon material, and on the bottom it's almost like a raincoat material. Definitely water resistant on the bottom, not so much on top. Solid accessory. Okay, here we go. So here I have the Nike Air Force 1 Sage. This just came out on November 1st, so it's been about a month, and I've been kind of monitoring just to see whether or not the sizes are, you know, getting sold out or not. And as of recently, for some reason, they all of a sudden kind of depleted. It must be because of the marketing, I'm not really sure. I think the pictures don't do this justice. This is definitely better in person than those pictures. I mean, I felt like in the pictures, they looked kind of just like any normal boot. It was very unclear like what kind of material was used on this upper. I mean, you get the classic Air Force 1 sole, and Nike actually wanted to reimagine this in a different way to cater to kind of like the basketball elements, but also give it like a lifestyle look as a whole. So on the outer side, you get the Nike swoosh logo, and it kind of has almost like a shiny texture going on as opposed to the all over upper, which is very matte. You also have a few little dots on the front, probably just to, you know, give it some balance so it's not just completely bare. In the middle, you have a buckle, and on the very front of it, it has the Air Force 1 logo. I would definitely say the buckle is made of probably premium material just because of the way it kind of snaps, and the satin material around it is definitely premium. It has a nice sheen to it going on. On the top, you get the Nike Forces Female Air Force 1 logo. The branding is just very in your face. The white really contrasts against the black, so it's almost very apparent. So you can definitely see that. I don't really know if I'm gonna keep this keychain on, although I see that there's absolutely no way to really take it off. But on the side, you do have this keychain with additional branding. But I think the branding on this is pretty cool. One side just straight up says the Forces Female, and that's all you see. And then the other side has more of the classic Nike Air Force 1 logos going on. So this shoe actually comes in 3 different colors. There's a transparent one. I opted out for that just because I wasn't really sure if I had enough outfits or even like cool socks to really go with it. And I didn't really know how I felt about this entire, you know, ankle, heel, bottom of my calf showing. So that's why I chose the black, and I also felt like the black really goes more with like my outfits and my style. I didn't want to choose the white because I wasn't entirely sure what material was being used, so I wasn't sure if it was going to be hard or difficult to wipe away any dirt on that crisp white upper. So that's why I opted for the black. I mean, this looks so futuristic. It's pretty cool, and I definitely don't think Nike has anything else like this per se, which is why I bought it. Ooh, take out this. Okay, the cardboard is out. So actually, when you're pulling down the zipper, it actually has kind of like a mesh material behind it, which is pretty cool. I think it's great for breathability and also that flexibility, because the material being used is almost like flimsy, but not flimsy enough where you'll be worried about it coming down. You know, think of, I don't know, like a knee-high boot almost, but this is definitely way sturdier. I mean, there's no more cardboard inside, and you know, still holding up by itself, which I think is really important. I'm sure that took a lot of design elements really to contribute to it just being able to stand up without any cardboard or anything inside of it. So I believe Nike actually made this shoe because they wanted it to be used in that winter climate outside where, you know, you might be enduring some snow or some salt covered roads. This sneaker is able to, you know, you could just wipe off anything straight from it. So think of that nasty like slush that you have to walk through from time to time. That can just get on this and you can just wipe it away from the upper, and of course you'll have to clean the soles, but I mean the soles won't really have too much of an impact because it is that crisp white and there's really only so much texture on the bottom, so it should be easy to wipe away as well as the upper. I actually see that this is a snap bracelet. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. Yes, so this is actually a slap bracelet and it doesn't actually attach to the upper, which is kind of cool. I don't know, I kind of wish it did attach in the back somehow. I think that kind of like adds to it, but otherwise it kind of just looks like a regular Nike boot. I don't know, but I'm definitely gonna keep the slap bracelet on. I think what's really cool is that you can literally, like if you stick your hand in, you can literally see like, you know, the entire form of it. So that kind of speaks to it. I'm a little worried about putting it on feet and seeing if my toes show, but let's give it a try. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments below. Would you buy this? Yes or no? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.